Hi, in this video we're going to be solving equations with double distribution. Let's take a look at some examples. So our first example, number 1, negative 3 times the quantity x1 plus 3n plus 8 times the quantity of 5n plus 1 equals 67. Alright, so same as single distribution except we're going to do it twice. So we're going to distribute the negative 3 to both terms inside this parentheses, and we're also going to distribute the positive 8 to both terms inside this parentheses. So let's take that step first. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3. Negative 3 times positive 3n is negative 9n. Positive 8 times positive 5n is positive 40n. Positive 8 times positive 1 is positive 8 equals 67. So now we have two sides of the equation. Let's look at the left side. Do we have any like terms on the left side? In this case we do. We have a negative 9 and a positive 40, which are like terms. They two numbers with the both having the variable of n. And we also have negative 3 and positive 8, which are like terms. So two constants that we could also combine as well. So it doesn't matter which one we do first. If we take negative 3 plus 8, we get a positive 5. And negative 9n plus 40, we get positive 31n equals 67. Now we're down to a two-step equation. Let's subtract 5 from both sides. 5 simplify, we get 31n equals 67 minus 5, 62. Down to a one-step equation, dividing both sides by 31. N equals 2. Okay, so our first steps again was to distribute to both terms, or both sets of parentheses, combine like terms, bring it down to a two-step equation, down to a one-step, and down to your final answer. Let's take a look at example number 2. So we have 2 times the quantity of 5x minus 4 minus 5 times the quantity of 4x plus 3 equals negative 13. So 2 times 5x, 2 times negative 4. So we have 10x, 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Be careful here, I'm actually distributing the negative 5. So negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. Negative 5 times positive 3 is negative 15 equals negative 13. So again, we're going to combine like terms here, our like terms. We got positive 10x and negative 20x. Notice how I'm taking the sign to the left of the number again. And the other like terms are negative 8 and negative 15. Now I'm choosing to put circles and boxes around the like terms. This step is completely optional. You do not have to do this. It's just a visual effect. So we're in the beginning stages and move on as you wish. So 10x minus 20x, negative 10x, negative 8, and negative 15. Okay, these two numbers both with the same sign, so I'm going to get a bigger negative. I should get negative 23 equals negative 13. Alright, now we're down to a two-step equation. Let's add 23 to both sides, isolating the variable on the left side. So we got negative 10x equals negative 13 plus 23, we get positive 10. And in my last step, divide both sides by negative 10. And we get x equals negative 1. Okay, so again, distribute to both sets of parentheses, combine like terms, get it down to a two-step equation, isolate the variable, down to a one-step equation, and then you finally answer. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. Negative 4 times the quantity of 7 plus 7x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 equals 48. So let's distribute the negative 4 times the 7, negative 28, negative 4 times positive 7x is negative 28x, positive 4 times x plus 4x, positive 4 times negative 5, negative 20 equals 48. Okay, my like terms, I have negative 28 and negative 20, that's negative 48, and I also have negative 28x and positive 4x, so minus 24x equals 48. Going to bring the 48 over to the other side. plus 48, both sides. My 48 simplify, so I got negative 24x equals 48 plus 48. Should get an answer of 96. And then last thing, divide by negative 24. X equals 96 divided by negative 24, so my answer is going to be negative, and 24 goes into 96 4 times. So x equals negative 4.